Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you have Dell G5 5505 model number and the internal microphone is not working after updating Windows 10 to the latest version, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now you might also notice that when you go to the device manager, under sound, video and game controller, you see a yellow bang on the AMD audio device. So you might see a yellow bang over here, a yellow triangle. So if this is what is happening, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now to fix this problem, you have to go ahead and copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Now before I go ahead and tell you the fix, let me inform you what is happening. So when you update the Windows 10, along with the Windows 10 update, it also installs the update for AMD graphic card. And because of this AMD graphic card update, you see a yellow bang on AMD audio device in device manager. And to fix this problem, you have to go ahead and install the AMD graphic card from the Dell website. So copy this link, open this link in a browser. It will straight away take you to Dell G5 5505 model number, and here you can see drivers and download, and select video from the list, and then here you can see AMD graphics driver. So go ahead and download this, click on download. And once the download is complete, it's a large file. So once the download is complete, run this exe file and then follow the on-screen instruction to update the AMD graphics driver from Dell website. And after that, go ahead and restart your computer, and that should go ahead and fix your problem, and the internal microphone should start working. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.